morning, good and positivity, beautiful morning. I want to teach you how to manifest with coconut. This work like magic. I will also tell you a lot of things that this work will be doing for you. All you want is your name. Write your name inside coconuts and your life will never remain the same. Your life will change, just like the thumbnail or the title where you see. You are going to see God manifestation. Here it's all about spiritual tips. It's all about you manifesting naturally by the power of God Almighty and nature. Nature is beautiful. Nature is amazing. If only you have someone to guide you. It's all about manifestation. You're going to use coconut water and your name to manifest your heart desire. If you are the type that things have not been working well for, you're going to use this coconut water and your name to make things to work in your favor. If you always face spirit of hatred, negative energy, bad energy, this coconut water is going to do a lot for you. Get a coconut like this, any coconut of your choice, whether not the other one, whether not this one, any coconut of your choice, provided it's coconuts. And they like to get this one because what are the many for this one? Well. Now make me they like to get this type of coconut. Now get coconuts like this. Write your name 4 times on a piece of paper. Why are you writing your name? You're writing your name so that the universe and nature will start making your name to attract positive energy, to attract good luck, to attract prosperity, to attract a lot of things. If you're a single lady and you always do this work, you are going to get attracted to good and amazing people. If you are a man, you have been in this life, things are not working well for you. With you manifesting with coconut water, you're going to see your life, your name attracting good things. If there is anywhere you have applied for job, for anything that is not coming into reality, God Almighty and the universe will make it come to reality. If you're a woman, you have not been doing well in your marriage, in your life, you're going to see God manifestation. You're going to see the power of coconut. I've done a lot of teaching how you can use coconut to manifest. A lot of people have been manifesting. Testimony have been going on. I've done teaching on coconut, how you can use it on your kids for their brain to be brilliant and to come out great in their life, which a lot of mothers are testifying to. Now you're going to get your name. Write your name 4 times. Open one eyes of the coconut. Okay, open it very well. Get that your name on the piece of paper. Put the piece of paper inside this coconut, okay? Look for something, anything at all. Look for anything at all, whether it's sellotape or anything. Use and cover the whole back. When you cover the whole back, take this coconut every midnight. Pray over it. Pray over this coconut. Say your name. Say what you are passing through. Say what you have been experiencing. If you have been praying for documents, if you have been praying for market, if you have been praying for customers, you'll be praying for good things. Say it every night. You're going to leave it for 4 days. Say it every night on this coconut. From the 4th night or the 4th morning, depending on where you want to start to use this coconut, take some of the water, add it into a bucket of water. Now get your sea salt, add it, bath with it. Make sure say you do your bathing first. You bath normal bath before your cleansing water. This coconut cleansing water should be the last water to touch your body from head to toe. Okay? Take your normal shower. Now you know you have showered. Now water, get a bucket of water, extra bucket of water if you understand me. Get bucket of water, add small from this coconut water inside. Take that water, go take bath. Bath from your head, congrats, just pour and pray and say, as I go out, I attract good things, I attract marvelous things, I attract breakthrough, I attract success. Only what my name will continue to attract is prosperity, is good luck, is good with protection from God Almighty and the universe. After your prayer, you go, okay? You go out. Trust me, you're going to sell. If you are into business, you're going to sell. Anytime you do this work, you're going to see people looking at you, you're going to see attraction, you're going to see luck, you're going to see good things manifesting in your life. You can do this work anytime. If you are the type that want to always receive favor, receive attraction, receive breakthrough, receive success, receive love from people, always do this work. You come back with your testimony. Nature is beautiful. Do not forget to subscribe to join the spiritual family. Bye guys.